Alright guys, so we just made it to Bowling Green for the Fall Import Alliance meet. Me and Ken have never been to one of these. Hayden's been a couple times, but there's a lot of stuff that goes on here. They got drifting, a car show, drag racing, and then this year they just added a new thing, or roll racing to it, which I'm gonna be entering the 335 in tomorrow. But today, they have a dyno there, so we're gonna fill it up with the 85, put it on 28 pounds and see what kind of power it makes. I'm guessing it's gonna make around like 610. Ken, what'd you say? 620?
I'm guessing 620.
620, and then Hayden's guessing 595, right?
Yeah, 595.
So, the person who guesses the closest gets free dinner. Well, I wanted 600 and I got 599.6. So I'm rounding it up. I'll take it. 600. I'm happy with that. And 630 torque, or was it 640?
630.
630. I'm impressed. I figured it was going to make more horsepower than torque, so that really surprised me. But I'm happy with it. Alright, well, Hayden gets free dinner.
Yeah. Yeah,
I feel like since
Free
I was
dinner.
rooting for you so much, you should just pay for it.
Is that how that
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that how
Because I was expecting you to make more power.
We're trying to talk Kenton into dyno in his car. I got 385. Kenton's got 410.
But it's just a basic LS bolt-on car.
I mean, why not? Give me some closure.
Because it's $80 and I don't want to spend.
Day 2 here at Import Alliance Meet. Today's the day we're going to be roll racing. Kenton's entering it as well. We're about to get our cars checked out. We thought it was going to be a 40 roll, but it turns out it's a 20 roll, so that kind of messes things up a little bit for me. I think he'll be fine.
Yeah,
as
if
long
my
as
car passes safety, which it probably isn't going.
your battery has to be tied down, and
I ain't got it tied down for my battery.
yeah, so we'll see if they let it happen or not. But yeah, roll racing. Let's get it done.
What to do, Kenton?
I'm about to try to rig this shit up.
Yeah, that is not.
Well, I don't know how we're gonna do that.
Do you have like a bungee cord?
I don't think I have any. Troy's about to race another 335i. It's an auto with 19 Ts. It just ran a little bit slower than Troy's been running, but I think they're going to try to start out in like a 40 or at a 40. So I guess we'll see how that goes.
I got him. I'm 231. I went 126.49. He got 122.29. Said it's a stock turbo. He's on E50, making like 510 horsepower with 650 foot-pounds of torque. So that was a really good race. Alright, so that's a wrap. We ended the weekend pretty good. 335 made it through multiple pools doing the roll racing, which I'm happy about. Nothing broke except for the front lip. It just kept falling off, I guess, because of how fast we were going. The wind was just pushing it down, but I just got to rebolt it on. And then I may have made an impulsive decision.
Fake gram lights.
Yeah, fake. No, they're real raised gram lights, and they're the color that I've been wanting to do. It was really weird because we were talking about having these wheels on my car, and then some guy came up to us at the dyno asking if I wanted to buy wheels, and he didn't even know that we were talking about those wheels, and he had them. So I don't know, it's really strange that happened, but it worked out for us.
Might go a little street drifting later, you know, with the vet.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, maybe the video's not over yet.
It might not be over yet, depending on this clip.